Hello everyone, we will continue to learn about basic Linux terminal. In this tutorial, I use Fedora 33 Workstation. Today, we will learn 3 commands PWD, ls, and cd. For your information, in this video, we will learn how to use ls in simple way. We will learn more about ls command in the next video. Let's start. Open your terminal. In this video, I will use Tilix. The first command is pwd. This command is used for knowing in what directory we are. For example, you can see this part. This part tells us where we are, and as you can see here, in the result of the pwd command, we are in the home directory. It means that we are in the home directory. You can see my video before this video by clicking on your top right corner. There's a card that links to my another video. I already uploaded about basic Linux terminal. You can see that video, and in that video I explain about what this part tells us. Okay, continue. The second command is ls. This command is used for listing everything inside a directory. For example, we are now in home Gunawan directory, and when we execute the ls command, it will show us what is inside this home Gunawan directory. We can also see the list of another directory even we are not in that directory. For example, I want to see the list inside the etc directory. Oops, I'm sorry. As you can see here, these are directories and files inside the etc directory. Just reminder, we will learn more about ls command in the next video. Continue to the third command. The third command is cd. This command is used for changing the active directory, or in the simple way, I could say that I use this command to go from one directory to another. For example, we want to go to the downloads directory. We want to go here. Because this downloads directory is inside the home Gunawan directory, we can type you can see here we already inside the downloads directory. If we want to go one level up, or we can say we want to go to the parents directory of directory, in this case we want to go one level up before the downloads directory. Just type cd and dot dot. You can see here we go one level up from the downloads directory. If you want to go to a directory, just use the tab button so you can get correct directory name. For example, I want to go to the pictures directory and then tab. If after you press the type button and the terminal cannot complete the directory or file, it might be there's no directory or file that you want. For example, I want to go to movie directory. As you can see here, there is no movie directory. So when I press my tab button, the terminal will not auto-complete my directory that I want to go. I will change to the documents directory. You can see here, when I press my tab button, the terminal will complete my directory name. Let's go back to the home. If you want to go to your home directory, you can type cd and you will go to your home directory. Let's try another command. I want to go to my home directory. The other command is cd spacebar. I don't know what is this in English. Maybe you have question about how if I want to go to the other directory. As long you can remember your target directory, you can just type the cd command. For example, we will go to the root directory. You can see here there are so many directory. For example, I am in the home directory and I want to go to the etc.yum.repos.d directory. So I just type cd. This means root directory because the etc directory is inside the root directory. This one. et tab. If you not type the root directory, the terminal will not auto-complete your target directory, which is etc directory. For example, I do not type this symbol. I just type etc. So when I press my tab button, the terminal will not autocomplete my target directory because I am now in my home directory, not in the root directory. So type the root directory and then et tab and then yum.tab. Okay, we already inside the yum.repos.d. ls. You can see here it's the same in here. Let us see the tree directory. Just type tree. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I need to stop this. I will tree the home directory. It's more simple. Okay, we will try to go to, okay, I will explain this. Error opening directory. This is because I use my username Gunawan and I am just an ordinary user, so I cannot access the Buddhist home directory. Okay, I will go to the downloads directory. The question is, how if I want to go to the root directory from the downloads directory? I just type cd dot dot slash dot dot enter. You can see here I was in downloads directory and then I go to Gunawan and then I go to the parents of Gunawan's directory. It means in home directory. Okay everyone, I hope you can understand what I'm saying. Okay everyone, we will try to access the Buddhist directory. I will show you. Remember, I use Gunawan as my username. I will check. Oops, I'm sorry. You can see here, I am the member of the wheel group. If you forgot or you don't know about the wheel group, you can see my previous video about the su command. You can click on your top right now, so you can see my video about that. Okay, I just want you to take a note about this. I am the wheel member and I want to access the Buddhist home directory. Oh, yeah, one more thing. I want you to take a note about this row. The wheel permission is active. So it means that everything in the wheel group will be has the same privilege with the root. Okay, let's try. I will use the sudo function. As you can see here, even I use sudo function, I cannot access the Buddhist home folder. So I will try with the root privilege. I will type su. As you can see here, I am now a super user. I will try to access the home of the Buddhist directory. Okay everyone, you can see here. Now I am inside the Buddhist home directory. From here we can see the difference between the sudo function and the su command for accessing directory. I want you to remember that once you set the root password, you cannot delete the root password anymore. So before you set your root password, please think about it first. One more thing about the su command. If you just type su, you will log in as a root user. You can use the su command to switch to another user too. For example, I will switch to user Budi. I just type su Budi. Oops, I think I forgot the Buddhist password. Wait, I will reset the Buddhist password login. Okay, I will switch to Budi. Su Budi. You can see here everyone. Now I am Budi. Permission denied because I am now Budi. You can see here everyone that you can use the su command to switch to another user without a logout. That's why you need to learn about how to use terminal, because the terminal is very flexible to use. Now I use Gunawan user. Okay everyone, this is the end of the video. I hope this video is useful for you so we can learn Linux together. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye everyone, see you in the next video.